Located at the crossroads of the West, the University of Utah plays a unique role in the development of Mountain America's human resources. The 637-acre campus nestles at the base of the rugged Wasatch Mountains on the eastern edge of Salt Lake City. The 1,500-member faculty comes from other leading universities in this country and abroad. Their diversified backgrounds greatly enrich the classroom experience and personal relationships between student and teacher. The University of Utah offers programs of instruction and research in more than 90 subjects at the undergraduate level. Advanced degrees are available in 71 disciplines through 11 professional schools. The student's private world can be as small or as large as he desires, but the common goal of education is shared by 20,000 students from every state in the nation and 59 foreign countries. About 4,000 students are engaged in postgraduate study. 5 residence halls house single students living on campus, and the university provides 300 apartments for married students just off campus. Extracurricular activities are as diversified as individual personalities. Students share in university decisions through participation in student-faculty committees. They learn the value of community involvement through experience with social, political, religious, and cultural groups. The University of Utah campus reflects both tradition and innovation. Facilities include 50 permanent buildings, half of which have been built in the last decade. A new $6.5 million library, one of the largest in America, is the nucleus of a major construction program now underway on campus. A $10 million physical education complex will open this fall. The heart of the project is a dome-shaped 15,000-seat special events center, interconnected with 5 other buildings. A health science complex includes buildings for the colleges of pharmacy, nursing, and medicine. The University of Utah operates the only 4-year medical school between Denver and the West Coast. The University Hospital is not only a teaching facility, but is also a primary treatment center for the entire region. Physicians in remote parts of the West are in frequent contact with the hospital through a 2-way radio network. The university's College of Law, one of the finest in the West, has achieved a position of international stature. The school's new building contains its own 85,000-volume library, devoted exclusively to legal materials. The University of Utah is a cultural reference point for the entire state. It maintains one of the outstanding student ballet companies in America, whose achievements have been acknowledged by support from the Ford Foundation. The Repertory Dance Company, with financial assistance from the Rockefeller Foundation, brings the nation's leading choreographers to the campus to stage original works featuring university dancers. A resident opera company presents several productions each year in cooperation with the Utah Symphony, whose conductor and principal instrumentalists are faculty members. The University Theater offers a full season of plays each year. Rapidly expanding research activities contribute not only to science, but also to the area's growing economic base. The University of Utah averages $2 million a month in contract research expenditures. A recently established research park is expected to multiply that figure. A UNIVAC 1108 computer center on campus is among the best in the country. The university operates the only high-energy cosmic ray neutrino detector in America. A seismograph network headquartered on campus monitors underground Earth movement in the western United States. A nuclear reactor, a laser research laboratory, and a radiation monitoring network are among the facilities which attract outstanding students and faculty members to Utah. Because of its strategic location, the University of Utah cannot be content to serve only one state. It must provide innovation as well as education for the entire Southwest. Continued response to that challenge will help the area maintain its position as the most rapidly developing part of the country and will give the university reason for pride in being part of that development.